Hey guys, today in this video, I'm gonna guide you through how you can permanently delete your Instagram account. That means you don't have to deactivate your account will be permanently deleted, and I'm gonna also tell you the difference between deactivating your account and permanently deleting it. Okay, so let's start the video. But if you are new to the channel, please make sure you click the subscribe button and set the bell notification to all notifications so that every time I upload a new video, you'll get notified. So at first open your Instagram account, and here you have to remember your Instagram account password. If you don't remember your password, just forgot password and reset your password first. Then after that, after opening your Instagram, click on your profile here, and you can see I made an Instagram account for you guys. So let's see how I delete this Instagram account permanently, and you can do the same. Just follow my steps. So after coming to the Instagram account's profile section, from here you have to just click on these three lines here on the right top corner. You can see, just click here. After that, here you can see few settings here. Just you have to navigate to account center. In this option, click here. After that, you can see account center is open now. Then you have to scroll down and click on personal detail. You can see here personal detail, just click on that. Then in the next tab, you can see your personal details here, and also you can see in the bottom here account ownership and control. Okay, click on that. Then next you can see deactivation and deletion. Here you can delete or deactivate your account. So let me tell the difference between these two. First, click on deactivate or deletion, click on that. Now after that, select your Instagram account, check the username and verify it and click on that. Now you guys can check and understand here what is the difference between deactivating your account or deleting your account permanently. So if you deactivate your account will be temporarily hidden on Instagram. So then no one can search you on Instagram, but the previous comments like you have made on Instagram, that will be visible on Instagram. So here the people who just want to take a break from Instagram, I suggest you just deactivate your account and come back afterwards. Or you have just set your mind here that you have to delete your Instagram account, just follow the steps. Next you can see here below, delete your Instagram account. So that means if you click this option and click continue, after that what will happen, your Instagram account will permanently deleted. The comments, the like and photos you have posted on Instagram, that all will be removed permanently, and by the time passes, Instagram will delete all your information from Instagram. So let's begin with deleting this Instagram account. So you have to click on continue. After that, in the next step, it asks you the reason you are deleting this Instagram account. Just select any reason you wanted to, but I suggest you click something else and then click continue again. So after that, it asks for your Instagram account password. So in the beginning, I told you that just reset your Instagram account password, or you can reset it from here also. So I'll enter my Instagram account password. After entering your Instagram account password, click on continue again. Now you guys can see a final message here which says confirm permanent account deletion. If you continue with your account deletion, your profile and account detail will be deleted on September 2, 2025, and your Instagram account will be permanently deleted. So you have got a 30 days time here. So here you can see in this 30-day duration or before September 2, 2025, if I change my mind and again log into my Instagram account will be not deleted permanently. But if you guys want to delete your Instagram account permanently, just click on delete account. Now you guys can see my Instagram account is logged out, and now I see here the login screen. So to confirm the account deletion, let me show you my Gmail here. I'll click Gmail, and once I'll refresh this one, now you can see in social, if I click here in social, you guys can see an email from Instagram. I'll click that email, and now you guys can see your Instagram account is scheduled for deletion. So same date has been written here, September 02, 2025. Alright guys, so now your Instagram account has been permanently deleted, but you have to remember one thing, that the time period Instagram has given here, you don't have to again log into your Instagram account. Otherwise your account scheduled for deletion will be cancelled and your Instagram account will be open again, and again you have to wait for 30 days to delete your Instagram account. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope the trick works for you. If it does, make sure you click the like button, and also if you are new to the channel, please click the subscribe button and set the bell notification to all notification so that every time I upload a new video, you will get notified. Okay, bye bye.